friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Welcome back. So today's video is going to be very exciting. I guess you already know from the title why this is going to be exciting. So today we are going to do Daisoholic. It's been a long time since I did a Daiso haul, guys. I've been really planning to do a Daiso haul doon sa Pilipinas, but since every time I go to Daiso there in the Philippines, iba talaga yung Daiso doon sa atin compared dito sa Japan. So whenever I wanted to buy something from there, it's not as nice compared dito sa Japan. So hindi talaga ako nakakagawa ng Daiso as much as I love Daiso, but iba yung Daiso dito sa Japan. Ayan, paulit-ulit kasi I am super excited already. So for today, yun yung gagawin natin. And oh, by the way guys, I am so sorry if the quality of this video is different. I don't know kung okay lang ba yung lighting and stuff kasi I am just using yung natural light from the outside kasi I don't know if you have noticed, pero iba yung setup natin ngayon. I am not in my usual place. Ayan, so ayan, kasi nandito na ulit ako sa Japan. So exciting. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So yun nga, we are going to do a Daiso haul. But before we get started, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you wanna yet subscribe. And make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you will not be missing out any of my videos. So I think we are all set and ready. Then let's get started. So I guess I will pick up randomly the things that I get because ang dami nila dito. Nakakalat guys. So random na lang yung pag-pick up. Photo lang po, ayan dito medyo. So the first one that I got is this one. Ito, I don't know if you know this one, pero parang cover sheets siya sa mga shelves, ganyan. So I needed this one because I wanted to change yung cover sheet doon sa aking sink. So ayan, cover sheet. And then we also need something for our toilet. Ayan, ito yung pair ng toilet scrubber. Kasi wala pa kami. As in, walang-wala. And then I also got a soap holder. Ayan, ang ganda ng soap holder nito kasi parang matibay or strong yung yung sucker. Basta ito yung sucker niya. Hindi nagsislip yung holder ng sabon. I put this sa shower. And then I also got me a mirror kasi wala kaming mirror. Ito lang yung mirror ko. Luckily, dito pa yung old na mirror ko na kinip ng aking friend. So, yan na muna yung ginagamit ko. So, I got me sa mirror. Ayan. Yung kalat. Kaya dating. Tapos, karton lang yung so, yan. Mirror. And then I also got me a face mask. Yeah, you need a face mask. And then what else? Ito din, I got some marble na cover sheet para sa mga countertops. Ayan. I always see this sa YouTube, yung mga DIY video sa YouTube yung ito. So I got me this one. By the way guys, this is all, I think yung mga ibang stuff is 108 yen. And then I also got this one. I always use this one on our toilet kasi mabango talaga yung toilet ni guys after every time we flush. Tapos ito, ididikit lang. Basta ididikit siya dito sa toilet and then super bango na ng toilet nyo. Next is I got two sprayers. This one is for yung lalagyan ko ng ng Zonrox or yung Domex kasi I don't want yung Domex na ilalagay na hindi nakadilute ng water. So I got me this one para madilute ko yung Domex ko. And this one is for the hair. Two water spray bottle. And then I also got a water mo sa faucet na filter. Kailangan nila. Ito, filter. Tapos, tingnan nyo naman. Ang cute. Then, ito. Tingnan nyo naman, guys. Can we just stop and appreciate how cute our, chopping board? Diba? Ang liit-liit compared to my face. So, we got a chopping board. Maliit lang kasi hindi pa kami masyadong nagluluto. And then, I also got this, yung sa sink na dishwashing soap holder. Very, very handy. I'm so happy talaga if I go to Daiso here kasi may mas maraming stuff na talagang nakikinabangan you guys when in terms of yung mga home needs talaga, kitchen needs, meron sila lahat. So, need ko to. And then also, Ruki bought yung parang scotch tape. Hindi siya scotch tape kasi may paggagamitan daw siya ng scotch tape. And then, I also got a rubber gloves para sa yung mga cleaning because I need to do a lot of cleaning still, especially sa aming shower, tsaka sa aming toilet. Ayan. Tsaka sa aming sink. So, rubber gloves. And then, I don't know what is this one, pero si Ruki yung pumili nito. Parang yung reflector or glow in the dark na band para if in case you are riding your bike or walking kasi dito uso yung nag-walk ka during the night, wala namang mga burglars or something or yung mga masasamang loob, so okay lang naman during the night and you need etong glow in the dark na band. And then I also got this table, grabe. Bumili ako ng isa doon sa camp. Basta yun sa isang store, tapos 98 pesos yata yun, tapos yung kasing size lang talaga for one piece, 98, tapos this one is like, 4 pieces, tapos 180 lang, bubble si Daiso. And then another tape, packaging tape, yan. And then Ricky has a new phone, so he got a new casing for his phone, but this one is a hard type na casing para sa iPhone XR, and I don't know if gusto niya to kasi pumunta kami sa Syria tapos nakakita siya ng ibang casing doon, which is silicone or yung gel type, mas gusto niya yun. So I don't know if he is still going to continue using, he will still gonna be using this one. So, and then he also got a film protector. Film, half mirror film protector sa kanyang iPhone na XR. And then I also got 2 small face towel ba to? Or hand towel, ayan. Kasi I will be doing hair rebond, mga hair services din dito. Then I did not bring any small towels with me. Iniwan ko sa Pilipinas. So I needed, so dalawa lang muna yung kinuha ko kasi wala kami sa sakyan, tapos mahirap na mag-fit. So, 2 small towels. And then I also got a big comb, big white tooth comb na comb kasi iniwan ko yung comb ko doon sa Pilipinas para magamit nila sa shipping. It's so pink and cute. Next, I also got a nail file. Ayan. Maganda yung mga nail file nila dito sa Daiso, guys. Grabe. Yung mga nail files ko doon na ginagamit sa Pilipinas. From Daiso din yun yung mga dinala ko from before kami umuwi noon sa Pilipinas. Basta yun. I also got 2 curtains from Daiso. This is like, hindi to 180 yan. Medyo mahal siya konti, pero medyo mura pa rin if you are going to compare this sa hindi na Daiso na store. So this one is 300 pesos each. These are the colors that I chose kasi wala kaming puti na grabe. Ayan, I'm pretty excited on this one. And another curtain, parang ganito yung itsura niya. Parang siyang hindi talaga solid na cloth na curtain. Parang siyang yung parang thread na nakaganyan. Yung basta, yung, I don't know if you can see, parang ganito siya na curtain. Ayan. So, I'm going to put this doon sa way papunta ng, sa washing machine namin papunta ng shower room namin. So, para hindi naman makita doon or in case na magsampay ako ng mga underwear so hindi makikita. So, this is such a handy curtain. And then, I also got a, what is this, nail polisher. Yan, ito yung 1, 2, 3 na sides. Yung pang buff, polish, tsaka yung shine na side. All in one. Yan, kailangan mo to kasi hindi ako nagdala na ganito kasi I know na meron lang naman ako magbibili nito sa Daiso. And I also got me a nail pusher. I like this type na nail pusher guys kasi it's safer. Ayan, mas gusto ko yung ganitong ends. Kasi sa Pilipinas, wala tayong ganitong klaseng pusher. And of course, I also got yung clear na nail polish na top coat pala. Top coat which is the gel look type na top coat kasi hindi ako nagdala ng mga nail polishes. And then, I also got me 2 nail polishes. Ayan, 108 yen each. Medyo maliliit na yung mga nail polish nila compared before yung mga nail polishes na nabibili ko doon. But still, okay lang din naman kasi yung mga ganitong nail polishes sa Genki nakikita ko is around like 400 yen. So this one is only 108 yen. So na din. And I really like this color. Oh, parang siyang tingnan niyo guys. Ano siya, yung khaki. I don't know if the camera catches yung totoo niyang color talaga. Pero ayan. Tapos ito din. Oh, di ba? Bongga! Last but not the least na binili ko, and for sure alam niyo na to or I don't know, but ito, candle. Oh my god, I am such a sucker for candles. I really love scented candles, and yeah, tingnan niyo naman yung packaging nito. It is super cute, diba? Cute na. And the scent that I chose is yung lemon. Gusto ko sana yung lavender, pero yung malaki yun mga na siya, 300 yen. Tapos baka mabigatan ako sa pagbitbit ng pinamili namin. So, eto na lang muna yun. And this one smells so good, guys. I cannot wait to light this one. So excited! And last but not the least is eto rug. Very ang ganda ng rug na to, parang very absorbent, and I was not expecting na ito pala is not 108 yen, this is 200 yen. Ayan. But I wasn't expecting na 200 yen. I was expecting this to be like 400 yen kasi ang ganda-ganda niya. Ang kaparehas siya ng quality nung rug na binili ko before na I think 600 or 700 yen something. Yeah, ito yun. So, this is a very good quality rug for only 20 pesos. So, I guess that's all it for now sa ating haul video. Those are all the things that I got from Daiso. And pasensya na muna guys if I haven't hauled any. I have few pala yung nail polish, but I haven't really hauled yung mga purely makeup related stuff. But hopefully in the future, magawa natin yan. So for now, muna yung mga homemade stuff. Kasi yun talaga yung mga needs namin ngayon ni Rookie. Kasi yung apartment namin is so bare and we really need a lot of home need stuff. So hopefully you understand. Yan na muna yung imuhon natin. So I hope you enjoyed watching this one. Sana nag-enjoy talaga kayo watching this video kasi I really enjoy going there to Daiso because that is my favorite place of them all. Parang gano'n. And then, parang fairy tale lang. O basta yun na yun, nabubulol na ako because matagal na din na hindi ako maggawa ng sit-down video. Ayun, so I think that's all it. I hope you enjoyed again, and thank you so much for always watching, for always supporting me. Please continue to support me, guys. Please, please, please. So thank you so much once again, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep the smile, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!